Storm, what are you going to do? You're going to meet your little sister. You excited? Okay, let's go find her. Let's go with Daddy. Oh, who is that? Are you excited to meet her? What does she smell like? Does she smell good? Yeah. Okay, let's sniff her.
It's your sister.
That's
It's
your
your
little sister.
It's okay. See?
Oh, you're doing so good, bud. Okay, no lickings.
Good boys.
All right, buddy.